yes, I have larger saws, but I have a subscriber, Seth, that tells me he runs his tree service off of 2 or 3 ported miniature nuclear bombs. And well, I figured I ought to give it a shot, especially since I'm running this quarter pitch chain. This is going to be quite a test because I've heard from certain people that these are fragile, and then I've heard from others they are not fragile. I'm kind of curious how it's going to go. In another video, I'll be running my Steel 500i to use a proper chainsaw for a task like this, but maybe this is the proper chainsaw.